Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Zacks research account, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Zacks research account, start by logging into the Zacks website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the account management or subscription section. Click on the option to manage your subscription. You should see details about your current plan and billing information. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Read any prompts or warnings that may appear about the consequences of cancellation. If needed, provide a reason for your cancellation in the designated field. Confirm your cancellation by clicking on the final confirmation button. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. If you do not see the email, ensure it didn't land in your spam folder. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, consider reaching out to Zacks customer support. They can assist you with any difficulties or provide further clarification. Keep an eye on your bank statements to ensure no further charges occur after cancellation. Your account should be fully canceled within a few days. Always save a copy of any confirmation emails for your records. This ensures you have proof of cancellation if needed later. Following these steps will help you successfully cancel your Zacks research account. Make sure to check any terms related to cancellation to avoid any surprises. That's it. You have now completed the cancellation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.